Good morning, beautiful people. I hope you're all having the most amazing day. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please make sure you subscribe, show the love, give me a like and comment as well. Today I'm taking you on the day of my life at 5 weeks out from my competition. Oh my gosh, this prep is honestly flying by. I cannot believe I am 5 weeks out, but I am more excited than ever. This has been my best prep yet. I have done 4 preps. Sorry, this is my 4th prep. So I've done 3 preps and this has been the most incredible one. And we are lean, nice and early. Abs are popping. So I'm just taking you guys on the way to do my fasted cardio. So I like to walk to the gym just because it's only a 10-minute walk. So it's a great way to get my steps in, get some beautiful sunshine first thing in the morning. And then I go to the gym and I do my fasted cardio, which is an hour on the bike. And then I do my posing practice and walk back home for meal number 1. I've got my 2 liters of water here. Super important to stay hydrated, especially when you're doing cardio and sweating a lot. And I also take my L-carnitine. So make sure you guys take L-carnitine if you want to boost fat burning, increase your energy levels and boost brain function too. I will see you guys in a minute when I am at the gym. Abs are popping and we are getting lean. Just wanted to show you guys the road here in Thailand. It is literally just massage places, one next to each other, and then the road is just there and the gym is literally 2 minutes away. So I'm really excited to show you guys the gym. It is so big and so epic. Okay guys, I have just arrived to the gym. This gym is called Legacy and it is the best gym on the island and it's one of the best gyms I've ever been to. The vibe is so good. It's full of beautiful Thai people who are always smiling. The equipment is insane. Some of the best leg presses and hack squats I've ever used, and also there is so much space, and as you guys know, the posing room is next level too. So I'll show you guys inside, but if you follow me on Instagram, you probably have seen it already a million times. Okay guys, so this is the gym. As you can see, the weight section is super busy, especially in the morning. I always train at night time around 6 or 7 p.m. It's super quiet and I love to finish my day off with my session. It's honestly the best way. And then I'm just going upstairs to the cardio section, but first I will do my stretching, my ab activation, and then I am straight onto the bike. Oh yes, cannot wait to show you guys how hard I pump it. I want that win, and I'm envisioning it every single second of every single day, because that is the secret to manifesting all your dreams and beyond. So this is the cardio section. As you can see, it is huge. We've got the treadmills, and then there's a million different types of bikes here. You've got your Stairmasters at the end. I love to use the spin bikes here. They're really, really great, especially because I'm a shorty, and I am grateful I'm not doing this bad boy, this prep. Last prep, I did a lot of Stairmaster, and unfortunately for me, the Stairmaster makes my legs quite flat, whereas the bike makes my legs grow. So we're doing different approaches this prep that make a huge difference. Here I am having my stretch in the group fitness room. Girls, it is so important to stretch every single day. I stretch multiple times a day. So before cardio, first thing in the morning, and then always before weight training. If you're not stretching, that's when you can experience lower back pain, neck pain, knee pain, which you want to avoid at all costs. Plus, when you loosen your hip flexors, your glutes, they're able to grow more. So if you've got tight hips, your glutes will not be able to grow to their full potential. Whereas when you loosen your hips, you'll get a better range of motion, you'll get a better mind-muscle connection with your glutes, and you'll be able to explode your gains even more. If you want to see my stretching routine, you can just head to my Instagram, Maria T Wellness, and I've got everything up there, and my clients also have it on the MT Wellness app. Their lower body stretching and their upper body stretching. Okay guys, time for abs. I'm going to show you my 3 favorite ab exercises that I do every single day. And now it is cardio time with my favorite, the bike. I love this one for fat burning while still keeping your legs nice and full. Let's smash this hour out every session, every day, every second. I'm closer to that goal and I cannot wait to be back on stage. Okay guys, that is 1 hour smashed on the bike. I'm dripping in sweat, abs are popping, and I really gave it my all, making every single second of every single day count. This is my favorite part of prep, where your stomach's grumbling, you're starving, you're fatigued, you're sore, but that's where you gotta use your mindset to push yourself even further, to push yourself even harder, because that's where you grow, not just physically, but mentally. And when you build that unstoppable mindset, then you will achieve anything and all of your dreams and beyond. Oh, feeling so good. There's no better feeling than pumping it out, finishing it strong. And now it's time to pose and show you guys my physique update and how we are looking 6 weeks out of my first show of the season. The shreds are happening, guys. Quads are striated, abs are pumping, shoulders look crazy, and it's all happening. And glutes, they are still growing into the show. I'm so happy with how I'm looking. I've always dreamed of looking like this, and now I look in the mirror and I'm like, yes, I'm so proud of you. I love you so much, Maria. You're going to achieve all of those dreams and beyond. We still have 6 more weeks, guys, so I'm so excited and I cannot wait to see the changes over the next 6 weeks. It's time to get even more peeled.
I'm bulletproofing, know what I'm doing. The way we're moving, like introducing us to a new thing. I wanna save it for later. The taste of flavor, cause I'm a taker, cause I'm a giver. It's only nature, I live for danger. All that you got, skin to skin, oh my God, don't you stop. Something about you makes me feel like a dangerous woman. Something about you makes me wanna do things that I shouldn't. Something about you. All guys wanna be like that. Bad girls underneath like that. You know how I'm feeling.
Hey guys, so I am back home from my cardio, and the first thing I do every single morning is the MT Wellness Gut Health Protocol. Now, if you follow me on Instagram, you know this is something I've been doing every single day for the last 4 years. I have not missed a day, and I also make sure that all of my clients do it as well. So it's 1 scoop of the Everyday Greens by Primabolics. This is by far the best greens powder I have ever used. It doesn't have that gross grassy taste that a lot of greens do, and it's also got a great multivitamin blend. So it's got NAC in there, it's got mushrooms for brain function, so it also boosts energy levels, gets rid of bloating, it helps with digestion, and then of course my aloe vera. This baby is my favorite, so I use 50 mils mixed up with the greens. Now aloe vera is incredible because it's antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, it is a lifesaver for gut health, so it repairs the gut lining, it also boosts skin health, so if you're struggling with like acne, breakouts, eczema, any skin issues, this will help so much, and it also helps helps with hydration too. Then I have my creatine. Now guys, I've been using creatine from the first ever time I started the gym 7 years ago. This baby helps you build muscle even faster, helps you recover quicker after the gym when you're sore, and it also boosts brain function. So this is a staple, but with all of these, you have to take them every single day. They're not a quick fix. They're something that you have to keep doing consistently. And then the last ingredient I've got here is L-glutamine. I love L-glutamine because again, it boosts gut health, it boosts recovery, muscle growth, brain function. And I also usually put a multi-collagen peptide blend in as well, but I've just run out. Collagen is again great for gut health, skin health, hair, nails, energy, everything. So if you're struggling with gut health, digestion, bloating, energy levels, give this morning routine a try and watch how great you feel for the whole entire day. I just shake it up in my shaker and then I sip on that just as I'm about to make my first meal. So I'm going to take you guys through what I eat in a day, which is not very much at the moment, but we are coming for those shreds. Okay guys, meal number one is a Ninja Creamy. I'm just about to put it into the machine, and I always do my favorite setting, which is the ice cream setting, which makes it the thickest and the most creamiest. Okay, Ninja Creamy is ready to come out. Oh, she's thick. And guys, look at that consistency. I forgot to show you, but I respun it once, and before I respun it, I added in some monk fruit sweetener. I love monk fruit sweetener because it's got 0 calories, it's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory, and it gives it that really sweet taste. But look at that consistency, you guys. It is literally so good. And all this is coconut water with 1 scoop of vanilla protein. So 0 carbs in here, but it's awesome because look at the volume you get, and it's really great for those sweet tooth cravings and also hot, sweaty after cardio, so nice and refreshing. But look at that consistency. Like, it is so good. And it's less than 200 calories. So perfect when you're in a deficit, when you're dieting, especially in comp prep, eating no carbs. This baby gets me through, and it's such a great little sweet treat. We feel like you're having a sweet treat, but it's nice and healthy. So I'm gonna enjoy this, but this is meal number one of no carbs, guys. Yum guys, this is honestly my favorite breakfast. I love it so much. It's so delicious and it's nice and low in calories, but that volume is amazing, so it keeps you nice and full. Now I wanted to mention guys, make sure you do not copy what I eat in a day, because this is very specific to me, my body, my physique, and my goals. So even though I'm eating no carbs at the moment, in my off season, I eat 3,000 calories, which is what most guys eat, and I eat 500 grams of carbs. So there is a big difference there. So even though you see me not eating a lot, make sure not to copy this, because I am in comp prep. So you go to that next level, you go to that extreme. But if you do want to lose weight, you want to lose fat, you want to achieve your dream body, you can absolutely do so eating lots and lots of carbs and all of your favorite foods. So if you need help working out the perfect specific calories and macros that are going to suit your body, your physique, your goals, then hit me up with a message in the comments, or you can DM me on Instagram, or even click the link in my bio to inquire to work with me. That way I can help you achieve all of your goals without restricting. Now the reason I'm eating no carbs is because we are trying to get to that next level, and I have been competing for 4 years. So this is just what it takes, but I wanted to mention not to copy me, because everyone is very specific and you can still achieve amazing results with eating carbs. Okay guys, meal number 2 going down. I've got a beautiful chicken salad here. This is my delicious salad recipe. So I've got lettuce, sauerkraut, beetroot, cucumber, and then some grilled chicken breast that's been grilled in some ghee butter with some smoked paprika and a little bit of beetroot juice, which is why the meal is red. I absolutely love beetroot. It is so good for you. It adds so much flavor into the meal. It's great for detoxification and also helps with pumps in the gym. So I'm going to enjoy this beautiful chicken salad. Even though there are no carbs in here, I still enjoy every single meal, every single bite, and I'm so grateful to have an amazing plate full of food in front of me. Yum. Okay guys, meal number 3 is another Ninja Creami. This is my pre-workout snack. Nice and easy, super delicious, and lots of volume here. Again, this is just coconut water with 1 scoop of protein, so no carbs, super tasty. And this is my pre-workout before going to hit shoulders, and I'm going to take you guys through my upper body day, which I'm so excited for. Okay guys, I've just got into the gym and I am ready to pump these shoulders and take you guys through the workout. Exercise number 1 is an underhand cable row. I absolutely love these to get your back muscles popping while also opening up your posture and giving you that nice hourglass shape. Exercise number 2 is neutral grip lat pull downs to really hit that hourglass shape. I always start my upper body workouts with 2 back exercises first. That way you're opening up the posture, you're activating the lats before hitting shoulders, which is going to make sure that your chest is nice and open, so you are working more of your delts rather than your traps. And then I always finish with arms at the end. And those 2 exercises are my favorite for the lats. I always do a row first to activate the lower traps and open up the posture, and then a pull down second to get the lats working hard. Now I'm straight into my shoulder movement today. Exercise number 3, shoulder press. Let's pump these delts up and get them looking nice and round. Let's pump these shoulders. Okay guys, first shoulder exercise in, and the pump is already pumping, and we got a baby little vein coming out to play. Now it's time to do some side raises and get that pumping even more. On to the 4th exercise, and the second shoulder exercise is side raises. I love side raises for that beautiful 3D pop that it gives to the shoulders. I do upper body twice a week. So on one day I do the dumbbell side raise, and then on the other day I do the machine here, which I'm so excited to show you guys. This machine feels so good, and the pump is going to be next level. another 2 sets of 15 reps. Boom. Boom. Fifth exercise, we got rear delt cable flies. I love hitting the rear delts because they give you so much definition through the back, and they also give your shoulders that really nice round look. In one of my upper body days, I do the reverse pec fly, and then on the other upper body day, I do the cable here, which I'm going to show you today because it creates that shape, and the burn and my muscle connection is so good. So those were my 3 top favorite shoulder exercises: dumbbell shoulder press, a side raise variation, and a rear delt variation. And now exercise number 6, finishing off with some arms. I'm going to do some triceps first, so single arm tricep extensions just to get that really nice definition and detail through the back of the arm, and then finishing with some biceps. Exercise number 7 and last exercise for this upper body workout is some bicep curls with the dumbbells, pumping it hard till failure, and then that is me done, and we go check the pump in the best posing room. Checking that pump. Legs always taking over the show. Abs popping. We still got another 6 weeks to bring my best. Okay guys, so that was my upper body workout done, and now I'm gonna do a quick little pump check. Damn, arms are popping, shoulders are nice and pumped, arms looking good. Wow, that pump is insane. Let's check the back. So happy with how I'm looking. 6 weeks out to the show. We did my posing this morning, which you would have seen at the start of the video to see my overall physique check. And now I'm going to walk home and show you guys my last 2 meals of the night, and then off to bed for me. That was my full upper body session done, hitting back, shoulders and arms. If you guys want to create that hourglass shape, I definitely recommend you try that workout and you'll see how good the pump is for yourself. Now I am walking home, only a quick 10-minute walk, which is awesome. That way I can get my easy 10,000 steps a day in, and then I will be showing you guys my post-workout, which is a chicken salad and then a creamy just before bed. Okay guys, I've got my delicious post-workout meal here, which is meal number 4, and it's a beautiful chicken salad, my usual recipe with lettuce, cucumber, beetroot, chicken breast, sauerkraut, and then some smoked paprika and Celtic sea salt over the top. I'm going to enjoy this, and then I'll show you what I'm having for my last meal, my cheeky little, not cheeky at all actually, my healthy dessert. Okay guys, last meal of the day is a creamy. I honestly love these so much. They make prep such a breeze because you get that amazing sweet tooth fix, and this is just coconut water and protein powder, so no carbs in here, nice and satisfying before bed. Look at that consistency. If you want to see the recipe, it is on my Instagram. You have to try this one guys, it is so good. We just took out mango a week ago, but they still taste absolutely unreal, and look at the volume you get. So last meal of the day, but that was my full day of eating on 0 carbs. I absolutely love what I have, and I'm so grateful for this amazing prep, and I cannot wait to bring my best to the stage. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna enjoy this delicious creamy and have a big sleep.